Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics. I am Arpan and in this channel I used to upload maths teaching related videos frequently. So make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. If not, then please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. This video is a continuation of my previous video जिसमें कि मैं Microsoft Word को यूज करके कैसे आप ऑनलाइन टीचिंग कर सकते हैं उसका थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था। उसी से मैं आज कंटिन्यू करने वाला हूं, तो मेक श्योर कीजिए कि आपने वो वीडियो देखा है। अगर नहीं देखा है तो मैं उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, ऊपर कार्ड सेक्शन में भी दे दूंगा। आप मेक श्योर कीजिए कि वो वीडियो आपने देखा है और फिर आज का वीडियो आप देख रहे हैं। ठीक है, इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए, थोड़ा सा लंबा होने वाला है वीडियो, लेकिन हैव पेशेंस, इस वीडियो को आप देखिए क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। अगर आप एक मैथ्स के टीचर हैं या फिर आप मैथ्स ऑनलाइन पढ़ाते हैं या फिर आप एक टीचर हैं। So as you can see, I have opened Microsoft Word and here you can see this infinity symbol which I have explained in my previous video. Now this is one plain symbol where actually there are multiple operators are there, but these are used when you are just typing from the keyboard. Suppose I want to type here find the value of theta. Now if I need a theta, I will go here and I will put a theta from here, right? But today what we will learn, what we will understand, that are involved with some structure. Now first let us add one by one and then we will explain one by one. Let us start. So from here you have to click on this arrow to get this toolbar. Here you have to go to more commands. If you click it, this type of window will come. From here choose commands from, you have to click, a drop down menu will come. So here you have to go equation tools. So if you click on equation tools, you will see that all the math related separators has come. So from here you have to click once and then you have to add to get it from left side to the right hand side. Now there is one more process. If you just simply double click on it, it will come here. So similarly I am using the fraction, the function, I am just double clicking on it, integral, large operator, limit and log, matrix and radical, and finally I will do the script. These I will explain here, and the rest of the parts which you can definitely try it out, you can experiment with. So here I am clicking on OK, and as soon as I click on OK, you can see all the things has come here. Now here I will explain one by one their uses and many more. Let's start. Now first you can see the accent. Now accent, if I click over in this arrow, you can see like these symbols are coming. You can clearly see that there is some structure. Now let me explain some of them. Suppose you want this hat symbol. If I click over here, you all know that I hat and j hat, we use this in vectors, right? I hat or j hat. So this is actually comes with a structure where the hat symbol is given and you have to just put the below one, right? Now you can see that by default it has come here in the middle of the page. It is actually by default justified aligned, so you have to take this to the left align. If you click here align left, you will see that this has come to the left portion. But this will happen only once when you start typing it. But if you are in the middle of a typing, suppose I want find the value of, and suppose I want a line segment, so from here I will get that. Suppose line segment symbol is here. Over bar, we use a line segment for this. So find the value of, suppose I want not the value, length of, let me just change it, length of, and then suppose I am giving AB. So clearly you can see that the bar symbol has come here and it has not going anywhere else, it has come just beside of. So only thing is that if you are writing for the first time in the page or this is a blank line, then only by default it will go justified align. Otherwise it will stay there where you are writing. Okay. Now let me show you some more accent here. You can see there are the vector symbol, the line symbol is there. Also you can see the box format and this over bar and under bar. Now this under bar you can use it as a fill in the blanks. Let me show you how. Suppose we are typing some question, the value of sine, suppose I am writing sine 30 degrees, so degree symbol I will get here is, then you must have to put some dash. But if you are putting the dash from the keyboard, that is your underscore, it will look like a dash. But when you are going to fill it, suppose you have taken your cursor here and you are writing 1/2. What will happen? See, some blank space is coming between and this is not looking nice. For that, what you will do, you will take the help of the accent. Now, if I take the accent and if I choose this one, you can see there is a dash symbol is there and a box above. So if I just write 1/2, you can clearly see that the dash is there behind it and 1/2 is coming very clearly. It is looking very nice. So this may be helpful for you. Now there is another very useful, that is the box format. Now this is useful for again for the fill in the blanks. Now you can see I have just placed this in a blank line, so it has come here. Let me put it to the left align. Now let us write, suppose I am writing here, find the value of x, and then I have just put the box to right. So what I can do, I can suppose the x equal to 13. So I have written 13 here and you can see how beautiful it looks like. Just it looks like that I have written inside one box. So this is also very useful. Okay. Now let us see what else is given. You can see some formulas are also given inside the box because we write the formulas inside the box. Also we are having some common scripts like A bar, ABC bar and something like this. So you can definitely go and check them out. They are all available in your Microsoft Word. Now I will skip the bracket, I will show it later. Now let us come here, x by y. This is the most thing which we use most frequently. So here you can see the fractions, three type of fractions has been given here. Suppose I am using this. So again, you can see that it has come here in the justified align. So what will happen? I have to take it into the left align. So here it has come. Now with the keyboard I can type very fast. Suppose I want to write 2/3. So what I will do? I will type 2. Then I don't have to touch the mouse. I will only press the down arrow and it will go 3. And that's all, you have done 2/3. Suppose I want to write another. Suppose I want to write this. Suppose I want to write 1/2. So what I will do? I will put 1, then the right symbol and 2. See, it's done. 1/2. So this is how you can use the fraction very easily and very usefully. So common fractions are some of the common fractions which are given here. So you can definitely take the help from them. Now next is sine. That means some functions you can see they are given sine, cos, tan, sec. It should be cosec. Actually they have given CSC like this. And sine inverse, cos inverse, the inverse circular one is given. The hyperbolic symbols, hyperbolic inverse are also given. Everything is given. Also some common functions have been given. Let me show you one. Suppose I want to write cos. So I have given cos. Let me just delete them. Okay. Now let me take your cos. Now suppose I want to write cos pi/2. So for that I need a fraction. So I have given a fraction. And pi, from here I will get pi. And this is 2. See, pi cos pi/2 I have written. Similarly, I can use the others also. There are many more, right? So this is all about the sine function. Now you can see the integration is also given. This is the indefinite integrals. The definite integrals are also given. The double integrals, triple integrals are given. Also contour integrals are also given here. So from here, suppose I want to show you this. So suppose cos pi/2, let me delete cos pi/2. Suppose I want here 0 to suppose I want to give a fraction over here. So pi, suppose I have given pi/2. So pi/2 I have given. Now I want sine. Now you do not need to take the sine function from there. Just write sine and give a space. The box will come. Now suppose I want to give x/2. So I can use the function from here. x/2. Suppose I have given and dx. Everything I am using, just I am doing using the keyboard only. So I will show you that also when I will just show you how to type. Right now I am just explaining the operators, so one by one let me explain. Now this is all about the integral functions. Now let us come to the next, that is the large operator. It is also available. You can see the summation symbols are there. They are super easy to use. Let me show you one. Suppose I am just deleting this. Now going to the summation operator. Now suppose I am writing n equal to, you can see it has come to the justified alignment, but no problem. You can take it to the left alignment. Suppose I am writing 2n plus 1 and see it has come. So it is also very easy to use. Now the next is the limit operator. The log and limit they have given together. You can see the log is given, the structure of log is given, also ln is given, limit is given. Let me show you limit. Suppose I have written limit x. Now tends to symbol I will get from here. From here if I go to arrow, I will get here x equal to, suppose I want to give infinity. So x equal to, again I have to go to basic math and x equal to infinity, and here I am giving, I now want to give this type of fraction, so 1 by x. See, it has come. Okay, now the next one is matrix. I will skip the matrix for now. I will explain that after I will explain the brackets. Now let us come to the radical. Let me delete this first. Now the radicals are also available here, the square root. Then you can see this one also is available. Suppose you want to write 4th root of 16. So you have written this very quickly. It can be written here, right? Similarly, there are more, some common radicals are also given here. And the last, which here I can see, is the script. Actually, this is for the power. Now, you may be wondering that yes, we can write the powers very easily from the home because the superscript are given here. So if I click over here, the symbol is, the 2 is coming in the power. And if the moment I click here, again it is coming normal. But this will not actually happen if you are using some functions. Let me show you. Let me copy from here. Now suppose I want to put this 10 square. After, suppose I want to put in the log. Now if I try to paste over here, you can see must include paragraph marks or break characters. So there is showing actually a problem. But here if I go to the script, from here also you can go to the script. See, now you can easily give 10 square. There is no absolutely problem. Okay, so this is the thing, and the base also I have given, so 10. Okay, so this value of it will be 2, you all know. Now, so this is all about this. Now let us come to the brackets. Now the brackets are also very useful. Now here also you may have some question that why we need the brackets from here while already the brackets are given in the keyboard. But let me show you how. Suppose I have taken this keyboard from taken the brackets from the keyboard, and now I am giving the function. Now just see the functions. As soon as I have given the function, the brackets are just like it. It has not changed and it is not looking nice. Now just see the difference if I take the bracket from here, and now let me put it in the left align. Now if I put the fraction symbol here, see, the bracket is enlarged. So it is now looking very nice. So that is why the brackets are very much useful. Now see, for actually giving the matrix and determinants, again we need the brackets. Let me show you. First we have to take the brackets from here. Then in this box you have to give, suppose you want to just put a 3 by 2, sorry, this is 2 by 3 matrix. So I put this. Now I will just write 1, then the right arrow, then 2, the right arrow, 3, the right arrow, 4, right arrow, 5, right arrow, 6. So it is coming naturally. Now suppose I want a determinant. So for that again I have to go to the brackets. Here is the determinant symbol. Now I want a 3 by 3 determinant, suppose. So here is the given structure given. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So see, it has come and the beautiful it is looking, right? So this is all about the things which we need before we start typing or we are taking the online classes. So जैसे कि आपने देख पाया है कि मैंने ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया है ताकि आप बहुत ही इजी तरीके से अपना ऑनलाइन टीचिंग और मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर टाइप कर सकते हैं. तो प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए और मेरे अगले वीडियो में मैं शो करने वाला हूँ को कैसे आप छोटे छोटे ट्रिक को यूज करके बहुत ही इजी तरीके से और फास्ट टाइप कर सकते हैं। तो मेक श्योर कीजिए कि आपने मेरा इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखा है ताकि जब भी मैं वीडियो डालूं नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए। ठीक है, तो आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू वेरी मच।